We're at 3811. 3811. Right. This is how it looks like. And it's a beautiful view. Well, it's getting dark. It's already almost 5:30. And you've got a beautiful, beautiful view. That's the Bay View. And it's the Southern Cross train station. Oh, beautiful view. 38th floor. Alright. And this is how it looks like. Aircon. You already have the tracker lights and the blinds. It's all included. Yes. And for this unit, there will be integrated fridge. This is on the high rise. It's actually on the high rise. There is integrated fridge already, so you don't have to buy anything. And you've got your oven, Siemens oven, and your dishwasher. The view is beautiful. Okay, the side. It's the first bedroom, master bedroom. It is an interesting nook here, like a study area. Here you get the view of the fireworks, the Docklands fireworks, the Docklands Marina. So the Docklands Marina, you will get it from the bedroom, the corner of the bedroom. And you've got a bathtub. Yep, double sink. You've got a wardrobe, 4-door wardrobe. And this is the second bedroom. Second bedroom, just decent, not too big. A bit, let's see, maybe a double bed. And this is internet and stuff. Right. Very beautiful unit. You've got the bay view here, and then you've got the marina view. Beautiful. 2001D Tower 4. This unit is sold, but I can share with you other units. It's a laundry area. Look at the view. Amazing view. Southern Cross. And at 20th floor, you already got the water view. Blinds are all included. Let's have a look at the bedroom. This is second bedroom. Ample storage space. 3 wardrobe door. Very sizable. Second bedroom. Just love the view. It's Marvel Stadium over there. This is the master bedroom. Beautiful study nook. Great use of space. And you got the water view. And this side is the city view. Huge wardrobe. 2-door huge wardrobe. Huge bed. You can put a king bed here. Fridge cavity. Double sink. Siemens appliances. Your oven. Your dishwasher.